The countdown is on for the announcement of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung's next full-size foldable. We are excited to see if Samsung is able to climb back to the top of the best foldable phones list now that its rivals are producing awesome folding phones of their own. The new Galaxy Z Fold 6 is tipped to feature a wider yet thinner design as well as a new Iron Flex display panel that should be more durable. You can also expect the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which should bring better performance and longer battery life, and all the same Galaxy AI features on the Galaxy S24 series, plus hopefully some new ones. Here is all the Galaxy Z Fold 6 rumors so far. As for the cameras, all signs point to no significant changes, at least in the hardware. Back in October, Revegnus posted on X that Samsung will continue to use the GN3 sensor for the Fold 6 with a switch coming in the 2025 handset. Meanwhile, IC Universe added that the camera is the same as Fold 4 and Fold 5, that's for sure. One leaker doesn't buy into that, claiming that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 cameras will be better than the Galaxy S24's camera setup. Presumably, that's referring to the standard Galaxy S24 that features the same camera specs as the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Given the lack of details in that tweet, we think it sounds like a case of wishful thinking. A more promising rumor towards a potential new camera housing for the exterior lenses on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. In this rumor from IC Universe, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 would drop a separate camera array and go with lenses that protrude from the back of the phone, much like they do on Galaxy S24 phones.